Hello guys, in this video we'll see what is Python, why Python is so popular and where it is using. Let's see what is Python. Python is a general purpose high level interpreted language with easy syntax and dynamically initialized as well as its object oriented approach. Next, move on to why Python is so popular. High level, easy syntax and high level features and also make a one of the best language for anybody to start program. Open source, it's free for anybody use, modify, break the code and make the code. Cross platform, which means you can build and run a Python application in Windows, Mac and Linux. And library and support, Python has a huge library support which would helps to obtain solution to the problem easily. Next, where Python is using in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, web application, scripting and hacking.